Hi guys, if you ever find yourself in a situation whereby you want to use cooking cream, don't tense, this is a video for you. So on today's episode we're going to be making this thick. So let's start. On a hot cooking pot, add in your margarine or butter, and let your margarine dissolve, and then you take high fat milk. Okay, but if you don't have high fat milk, you can just use pasteurized milk. It will work both ways. After that, you're going to stir on high heat. You continue stirring until the milk boils. So as you can see, our milk is boiling, and that is the time at which we've stopped stirring. So you let your milk boil well, because remember that unboiled milk can also make one get sick, things like brucella. So always remember to always boil your milk. So after that, you are going to take our corn flour, and if you don't have corn flour, relax, you can also use your wheat flour for this recipe. So the corn flour or wheat flour in this step is acting as a thickening agent. So you take 2 to 3 teaspoons of corn flour or wheat flour, add in a little bit of water to make such a paste. Okay, after that you add in your corn flour paste in your already boiled and buttered milk. After you add in, you ensure that you continue to stir on low heat. Okay, here we're not going to stir on high heat, you're going to stir on medium heat, because we want our corn flour to be well cooked. Because if you don't cook your corn flour at this juncture, you're definitely going to have uncooked cooking cream. So after 5 minutes, our cooking cream is already ready, and our corn flour is ready at this juncture. As you can see, our cooking cream was very thick. You can use this recipe while cooking things like legumes, and also if you want things like creamy spinach, you can also enjoy this recipe with this. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you. God bless you so much. And you can preserve this in the fridge after putting it in an airtight container for 3 to 5 days. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you.